This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system so changes take effect immediately. Close Valorant and Riot Vanguard, then make sure Windows Display uses the exact resolution you want and 100% scaling. This prevents automatic upscaling. Once done, right-click the Riot client and run as administrator to allow config rights. Then add a simple launch option. Press for the client options and append resolution arguments to force the game to respect the values you set when it opens. You now edit the detailed settings that actually control resolution. Locate the Valorant configuration file in the Riot Games folder and make a backup before any edits. Then change display width and display height to match your target, and set window mode to full screen or borderless depending on preference. Full screen locks resolution better. After saving, make sure GPU scaling is set to preserve aspect ratio, the latest graphics drivers are installed, and the preferred GPU is forced in your GPU control panel so the game uses the correct output. You finish by verifying the fixes and handling stubborn cases. Verify game files with the Riot client, then reboot so driver and registry changes apply cleanly. If the resolution still misbehaves, switch between borderless and full screen and try disabling Windows full screen optimizations on the Valorant executable. This often resolves scaling conflicts. Finally, temporarily disconnect extra monitors or use display mirroring when testing, because multiple active outputs frequently confuse game resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.